Let me show you how to set up secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. For example, if you want to maybe hide some pictures or videos or files or install some apps that you want to lock, we can simply go in the settings, and in the settings find your security and privacy settings. Okay, and then click here, more security settings, secure folder, and we are going to need to set it up. So click continue here, and this process might take up to like 30 seconds, so simply wait. Okay, next in this option, simply select the way you are going to lock it. So for example, let's set a PIN code, enter a very hard PIN code, obviously. Okay. Also, you can enable or disable this like reset with your email address. So again, if you want to completely like lock it out so no one can actually access, even if they gain access to your email, click don't allow. So I suggest that. Okay, and then click next here, and you see you get launched in your secure folder here. So for example, if you want to move some pictures or videos to the secure folder, you would go in the gallery, simply select some videos you want to transfer, and see, for example, click more here, and okay, so why it's actually not showing? Let's try again. Maybe I had it open the gallery. So if I launch it again, click more, so you see you have this new option, move to secure folder. Okay, and then basically these files get moved to a secure folder. So you see successfully moved, and if you want to access them, so in the apps list, you will see the secure folder here that you can access. After some time, it actually locks itself and asks for the PIN code. So you see in this gallery here, so you have like special gallery where you can only see this image that you have moved here, for example. And also you can even create like custom notes here, add some special contacts that you do not want anywhere else on your tablet essentially, and also you can take pictures directly. Also you can install the additional applications here as well, basically. So even like a second copy of the applications that you want, or also you can download from the Play Store, so any other application. So yeah, basically if you want to install something that you do not want anyone else to see in the main screen, so and that can't be accessed in any other way, so you can simply click that, or from the Galaxy Store as well, and then they will appear there essentially. And if you also, for example, want to hide this secure folder from the apps list, so we can go in the settings again in the, so again, let's go back here, the more security settings, secure folder, and make sure to disable this add secure folder to app screen. So if you disable that, the only way how to access it will be by going back to the setting over here. Then you'll be able to do that. And also if you want to delete or change basically some stuff on it, so if I click more settings over here, so you see I can also like uninstall the secure folder and also like delete everything from it. So for example, also I can move out my files from the secure folder, so back to the main gallery and the storage. Or also if you dislike this, it will actually like delete everything that you had on the secure folder. So again, if you want to wipe everything, basically click uninstall, and the secure folder will be essentially gone, and everything that was in the secure folder again will be completely wiped, and there's no way how to access it. Okay, good luck.